Caernarfon Airport, home to one of 3 air ambulances based here in Wales. From here, the Medicrew operates 365 days a year, providing a service that depends entirely on donations made by the public. But this does come at a price. 5 million per annum to be exact, which means a lot of fundraising work to keep the aircraft operational.
It has been a very, very busy year, but I think because of the area we live in, especially the Caernarfon area here, people are so supportive because they see the helicopter. You know, I mean, I think it's part of the scenery here by now, and everybody knows somebody who's been airlifted by Wales Air Ambulance, and so, you know, I wouldn't say it's relatively easy, but we do have the support here. You know, it's just keeping the profile up, I think.
The air ambulance can be in the air within 3 minutes of receiving the emergency call, and from each of the 3 locations is able to be anywhere in Wales within 20 minutes. And now there's a new member to the team, the EC135.
The major advantage is obviously the space within the cockpit for the aircrew to work on the patient. Vast space compared to the old aircraft, and obviously the efficiency of this aircraft much quicker, much more efficient and beneficial for us, therefore beneficial for the patient.
So this will affect the golden hour then?
Indeed it will. We're much more quicker. We're quicker off the mark with this aircraft. It takes less time to start up. It's faster in the air and less time to shut down at sea, and also at the hospital at the other end, of course.
Now, you receive no money from the government. You don't receive any lottery funding or anything like that. How important then is it that the public continue to support the air ambulance financially?
Well, I know for a fact this aircraft cost £3 million to buy, and the charity worked hard to raise this money to keep us in the air every month, and we depend wholly on the people of Wales to keep contributing towards the aircraft.